we will make a simple test. Atomized gasoline is taken into a cylinder which has a nickel-chrome wire inside, and a ball is placed on top of the cylinder. Why does the ball jump off the cylinder? This is because atomized gasoline is ignited within the cylinder, forming combustion gases, which expand and force the ball out. This force is called combustion pressure. Utilizes fuel combustion pressure to operate pistons and obtain an output. This principle applies to both gasoline and diesel engines. In a gasoline engine, an air-fuel mixture is drawn into the cylinder and is compressed by the action of the piston. This air-fuel mixture is then ignited by a spark, and combustion pressure pushes the piston down. A spark plug is necessary to ignite the air-fuel mixture. Diesel engines do not require spark plugs for fuel combustion. In other words, the process of fuel combustion differs between gasoline engines and diesel engines. How can the fuel be ignited without a spark? Gasoline is used in a gasoline engine, while a diesel engine uses diesel fuel. Let us make a simple test to discover the individual characteristics of these two types of fuel. Gasoline easily catches fire when it is brought close to an open flame, but diesel fuel does not. This phenomenon is known as flash. In other words, gasoline is far more volatile than diesel fuel. Let us make another test and see what will happen when diesel fuel is dripped onto a plate heated by a gas burner. Diesel fuel ignites spontaneously when it touches the hot plate. This phenomenon is known as self-ignition. Then what will happen with gasoline? Gasoline does not ignite. Gasoline requires a higher temperature for spontaneous self-ignition, and this means that diesel fuel has a higher self-ignitability. And when this characteristic is utilized to the fullest extent, diesel fuel combustion can be achieved without a specific ignition system.